Hi guys, welcome to a short video about the question if it's allowed or possible, or if it's really making sense to carry a camera like a GoPro with you on a roller coaster ride, in particular in Disneyland or Disney World. So how are the rules? Are you allowed to do that, and does it make sense? So it's really difficult to find a lot of information or specific information about that on the Disney website or other amusement park websites. So what I have found is definitely that most parks in the meantime are restricting, or actually they have been banning selfie sticks and gimbals. All these things are definitely not allowed in most parks, and definitely not on the rides. What most of the parks seem to allow is to have a camera which is attached, really attached to you, like something with a chest mount or a head mount, or even with a wrist mount. I'm not very sure about a wrist strap. I mean, I have been doing this video here where you just see some really small parts of it. I've been doing that with a GoPro 7 Hero Black, just with a wrist strap, but I'm not sure. I would definitely not recommend to do that. I mean, nothing happened, and you have to be really careful, definitely not to put this higher than your head, and not put it out on the side, not hold it out. But I would highly recommend to use something which is really attached to you, so you cannot lose it. Otherwise, if you have something which is not attached, there is a risk that they will even stop the roller coaster and call you out, and yeah, then it's game over. It's not such a really funny thing when they will have to stop the whole thing just because of you. A lot of people won't be very happy about you, so just make sure that you follow the rules. This is what most people are saying, that it should be possible. And of course, what's also possible is to have a smartwatch with a built-in camera. I've been using this in the last couple of years, a couple of times. It's just sometimes very difficult to point it in the right direction. Usually they don't have the greatest stabilization, but I have really made some really crazy shots with a smartwatch with a built-in camera. I mean, again, I haven't found a lot of information, just a thing about banning selfie sticks and gimbals, definitely in the whole park and especially on the rides, but there was not much about mounting cameras. But this is what most people have been writing, and most people have been agreeing, and it totally makes sense that if you have something which is really attached and you can't lose it, that you can also use it, and you should be allowed to do that. And as you can see, the video here was really great. I mean, the quality is really good. I mean, as good as it gets with the GoPro 7 Hero Black. It did a great job on stabilization. You could see all the faces, the smiles, the fear and everything. It was definitely worth it. But when you do that, just make sure that you follow the rules. And so I'm wishing you a lot of fun and a lot of success on your next trip when you're planning to record something like that. And yeah, that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or other opinions on that, just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.